from the local government union and the Blessed NPC. Thank you so much for sponsoring having ICD.
Maraming salamat sa mga agencies, also with the different institutions, with the Alaska Central Middle School, Kabalik National High School, Alaska National Tournament Manager, and also the Assistant Tournament Manager, who somehow was there. So we are only one individual game this afternoon, that is succeed. And the group categories for Topapatis and Sir again. Also, the Tagalan base is also by you. And we would like to request Sir Eddie Tagalan Jr. and EP, Sir. I think facilitate the game. And the last, we are also no tournament. We are also masing paniyo na ay si Mama Son. Thank you, ma'am. So for Panitero, we are also here. Your place, ma'am, is here. Wow.
Official results for Panitero Game 2. Play between the PNP versus SK. Winner, PNP. Congratulations. Call for Panitero Game 3 to be played between the last